Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would share the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we have got few of the remote work from home jobs as well. So before we go into the job opportunities, let me tell you about the free live webinar that we are going to do on the upcoming Saturday, that is 13th of June, 11 a.m. IST. So this is a free live webinar which you can attend. This will not be uploaded on the YouTube. It's a live interaction that I would like to have with all of you. So you can register for this webinar today. It is about how you can leverage agentic AI plus Playwright to get better jobs in 2026. So this is the goal of this particular webinar, and it will be live, it will be free, so you can attend it, and it's a Saturday, so you won't be having any working things in the companies because Saturday and Sunday is off. So please do attend this webinar. It would be helpful for you. As soon as you book your seat, you'll be getting a message to enroll for the WhatsApp group as well. So be a part of the WhatsApp community wherein you'll get bonus resources, you'll get interview preparation material absolutely free of cost. Now, let me tell you about the job opportunities. Okay, so there are multiple job opportunities in the testing field for software testers. Let it be freshers, let it be experienced. So first company is Medan Technologies. They are looking for junior software testers. And this is purely a fresher-based role. They are looking for somebody who knows functional testing, SDLC, test case execution, analytical skills, all of these things they are looking. So interested candidate can share their resume to this email address. Then there is a requirement for Tosca testing. Okay, it got muted, I think. Yeah, so there is a requirement for Tosca testing, and the location is Pune, India, or Hyderabad, India. The engagement type is contract. Duration is 12 months extensible. So extendable if your work is getting recognized, your work will be, your contract will be extendable. Location is Pune, Hyderabad. Required experience is 5+ years. Must have skill set is Tosca, test case design and execution, test data management, defect tracking and reporting. So you can send your CV to this particular email address. Then there is a position of game test engineer. Location is Bangalore. The working hours would be 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Experience is 1 to 3 years. Number of positions are manual. You should have 1 to 3 years of work experience in QA gaming. They are looking for somebody who has got excellent verbal and written communication skills and knowledge on Microsoft Office. And company name is Sun Technologies. And this is the referral link. This the referral link for the QA lead who who can refer you for this position. Then there's a requirement for senior automated tester. Location is Pune, and it's a 6 month renewable contract. Work model is 5 days work from office. They are looking for somebody who has got automation testing using Selenium, Java, BDD tools, performance testing, AWS, Docker, Git. So you can send your profile to this email address. Please include current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, and current location. Then there are a lot of openings at Infosys company. They are looking for testing professionals. So this is the referral email address wherein you can share your resume. And these are the required details: first name, middle name, last name, email address, mobile number. All of these things are required. Job code is required. Now you can get the job code from this particular screenshot. So make sure you take this details as well. Yeah. So these are all the job opportunities at the Infosys company. They are looking for API testing consultant, C# testing consultant, data warehouse testing consultant, Gen AI testing consultant, Oracle testing consultant. Like these are all the requirements, and you can see the locations: Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, TVM, Noida, Indore, Nagpur, Kolkata, Coimbatore, Hubli, right? Hubli. So these are all the locations of the posting, and I shared with you the email address as well, wherein you can share your resume. Then there is a requirement for CRM tester, and the skill set required is Salesforce testing automation. Experience required is 5 to 8 years. Location is Pune, right? Then there is a requirement for senior QA engineer. This is totally remote job, work from home. You can work from anywhere. So they are looking for immediate joiners with strong expertise in manual and automation testing using Playwright, JavaScript, TypeScript, advanced SQL skills, cloud, and excellent communication and stakeholder management abilities. So you can reach out or you can apply to this particular email address, right? So these are the job opportunities. Plus, there is a live webinar that is going to happen on the upcoming Saturday. So as I told you, on Saturday, we are going to conduct a live webinar, and the timings would be 11 a.m. IST. So you can enroll for this webinar today itself, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.